Hi children, good morning. It is health that is real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver. He who has health has hope, and he who has hope has everything. Happiness is the highest form of health. As you all know, we need food to maintain our health. There is a major role for different kinds of nutrients in our health. So today we are going to discuss about different types of nutrients. Okay, so carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, fats and vitamins play a major role for the development of our body. When our body lacks any one of these nutrients, we want to face different types of deficiency diseases. Dear children, today we are going to discuss about different types of nutrients and the sources of nutrients and the deficiency diseases and the importance also. So we can begin with the types of vitamins. So first one, it is vitamin A. So before that we can check which are the different types of vitamins present in our food. The different types of vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin B. B means a group of vitamins are there in vitamin B. So that is why it is commonly known as vitamin B complex. Then vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and finally vitamin K. So vitamins are organic compounds that are needed in our food to maintain good health. So different types of vitamins are there. Some vitamins are soluble in water and some vitamins are soluble in fat. There are 13 non-vitamins. Vitamins are either fat soluble or water soluble. So first we are going to discuss about vitamin A. We can check it. What is the importance of vitamin in our food and which are the different source of food, from which type of food we are getting this vitamins, and if lack of vitamin A, any deficiency or any problem is there in our body. We can check it. Okay, so vitamin A, its chemical name is retinol and is a fat soluble vitamin. So chemical name of vitamin A is retinol and it is soluble in fat. So vitamin A is needed by our body for the improvement of our vision. So vitamin A for our eyes, for good vision. So if lack of vitamin A is there, means if deficient of this vitamin A causes night blindness. And next we can check the sources of vitamin A, from which type of food or fruits or vegetables, from where we are getting vitamin A. The sources: liver, cod liver oil, carrots, broccoli, sweet potato, spinach, pumpkin, etc. These all are rich in this kinds of vegetables and things rich in vitamin A. Next we are going to discuss about vitamin B. Vitamin B, the chemical name of vitamin B is thiamine and it is water soluble vitamin. And the sources of vitamin B. Sources of vitamin B: grains, cauliflower, sunflower seeds, brown rice, liver and eggs. These all food items are rich in vitamin B. And deficiency of vitamin B causes beriberi. This is all about vitamin B. Next vitamin we are going to discuss, that is vitamin B2. The chemical name of vitamin B2 is riboflavin, and it is also a water soluble vitamin. And the sources of vitamin B2 are banana, okra, cheese, milk, yogurt, meat, egg, fish, etc. These all are the rich source of vitamin B2, and the deficiency of this vitamin may cause erythrobioflavinosis, that is the disease caused by vitamin B2. Next, it is vitamin B3. Vitamin B3, the chemical name of vitamin B3, that is niacinamide, and it is also a water soluble vitamin. Already I inform you in vitamin B, a group of vitamins are there, that is why it is known as vitamin B complex. So, all these vitamins are soluble in water. Then next, it is source, we are going to discuss the sources of vitamin B3. From where we are getting vitamin B3? The main source, it is liver, heart, chicken, beef, fish, from non-veg items. Commonly from non-veg item we will get vitamin B3. Not only from non-veg, leafy vegetables also there, grains, mushroom, broccoli, these all are rich source of vitamin B3. And the deficiency of vitamin B3 may cause pellagra. The type of disease it is, it affected by the deficiency of vitamin B3. And this pellagra, the symptoms are diarrhea, then dermatitis and mental disturbance. So, these all are the lack of vitamin B3. The next it is vitamin B5. Vitamin B5, the chemical name of vitamin B5 is pantothenic acid, and it is also a water soluble vitamin. And the main sources of vitamin B5 is meat, whole grains, broccoli, avocados, etc. are the sources of vitamin B5. And the deficiency of this vitamin may cause paresthesia, or the another name it is pins and needles. So, this is all about vitamin B5. The next it is vitamin B6. Vitamin B6, the chemical name is pyridoxine, and this also, like other vitamin B complex, this is also a water soluble vitamin. The deficiency of this vitamin B6 may cause anemia, peripheral neuropathy, or damage to parts of nervous system. Good sources of this vitamin B6 are bananas, whole grains, vegetables and nuts. Next one, it is vitamin B7. Its chemical name is biotin. It is a water soluble vitamin. Egg yolk, liver and some vegetables are the sources of vitamin B7. And the deficiency of this vitamin may cause dermatitis or inflammation of the intestine. Next it is vitamin B9. Vitamin B9, the chemical name is folic acid. This is also water soluble. Then the main sources of vitamin B9, we get vitamin B9 from leafy vegetables, legumes, liver, fortified grains are the good sources of vitamin B9. Then during the pregnancy period, pregnant ladies, doctors, they are prescribing folic acid. Okay, this one for the growth and health of fetus inside the womb. And next it is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, the chemical name is cyanocobalamin. That is the chemical name of vitamin B12. It is also a water soluble vitamin, and the main sources of vitamin B12 is fish, then shellfish, then egg, milk, chicken, and dairy products, means milk products, are good sources of vitamin B12. The deficiency of this vitamin may cause anemia, okay, a condition where bone marrow produces unusual large abnormal immature red blood cells. That is the condition of lack of vitamin B12. Okay. So, now itself we discussed about vitamin B complex. So, already we discussed vitamin A, after that vitamin B. Okay. So, in B different complex items are there in vitamin B. That is why it is known as vitamin B complex. The next it is vitamin C. Vitamin C, the chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. I hope most of all the students they now know that from where we are getting ascorbic acid. The source of ascorbic acid, that is citrus fruits. So, here is the main source it is citrus fruits. So, this also a water soluble vitamin. Water soluble vitamin. The deficiency of vitamin C cause scurvy, and the sources vegetables, from vegetables also we are getting vitamin C, and fruits like citrus fruits, these all are rich source of vitamin C. And cooking destroys vitamin C. And next it is vitamin D. Vitamin D, chemical name of vitamin D is cholecalciferol, and it is a fat soluble vitamin. It is a fat soluble vitamin. Its deficiency may cause rickets and softening of the bones, and exposure to sunlight or UVB helps to produce vitamin D. That is why from school and maybe your parents also saying morning from sunlight, okay, we will get vitamin D. It is good for our skin, and not only for us, newborn baby, maybe you familiar, okay, newborn baby, some condition is there, so that time the doctors what they are prescribing early morning and evening, okay, open air, okay, from open air we will get sunlight. So, not in the noon time, the time is there, that is morning and evening. So, that time we will get vitamin D. So, the sources of vitamin D, the main source it is fish, egg, butter, cheese and milk. The next one it is vitamin E. The chemical name of vitamin E is tocopherol. This also a fat soluble vitamin. Its deficiency may cause hemophagocytic anemia in newborns. And the sources of vitamin E, the fruits like kiwi, almond, avocado, egg, milk, whole grains, etc. are the main sources of vitamin E. And the last vitamin it is vitamin K. So, the chemical name of vitamin K is phylloquinone. That is the chemical name, and it is also a fat soluble vitamin, and the main sources of vitamin K, that is leafy green vegetables, avocado, kiwi. So, this is all about vitamins, and the deficiency of this vitamin may cause bleeding. Okay. So, from this what we can understand, want to include all the types of food in our diet, because the sources, just you check the sources, there fruits are there, vegetables are there, non-veg items are there, milk products. So, all the types of food we want to include in our diet. So, dear children, vitamins play an important role to maintain good health. Nowadays, we know that what a drastic condition it is, corona, different types of microbes attacking living things. So, a protective shield, we need a protective layer or protective shield. Okay, from shop we will not get that protective shield. From this food, we want to maintain that protective layer or shield. So, for that we want to include these different kinds of vegetables, fruits, milk, all the kinds of food items in our diet. Okay. So, in this corona period, we should include vegetables, fruits in our diet to fight against coronavirus and other viruses or microbes. Okay. I hope this session is helpful for you. So, thank you. Have a nice day.